though I have not, it is not a long time since I joined it, but the limited interaction I made with the prospective uh, goers to the students to the Canadian course is very good. And in fact, 2 or 3 students are pursuing us. So this webinar is very important to me personally, because I have to learn something from it and to pass on to the students who uh, are prospective students for Canada. So I'm thankful to you to have invited me, and I'm glad to join it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would pass the mic to Mr. Vivek Grover. You can speak few words for a vote of thanks.
Good morning, all. I'm Vivek Grover, head of Delhi branch at WMES. First of all, I would like to welcome to all of you on this platform, and thanks to Mr. Manpreet Khurana and Dr. Jaspreet Khurana for giving us such a beautiful platform where we can have all the solutions of any problem relating to immigration or relating to students in Canada, to study in Canada. So I'm really feeling happy to be part with this part of this team to help the students and let them grow there. And our blessings and support is always there. Any questions, any query, any kind of support, we all always there for you. Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful support from Delhi branch. I would request Mr. Kaushik, if he's there in the meeting, I need to check whether he's there or not. I think he is not able to join the meeting now. Okay, Mr. Mandeepji, can you just let me know that whether Mr. Gunjan Deep is there or not? If he's there, then we can even welcome him, and otherwise we can end up this session soon.
Yeah, sure, he's online.
Sir, I am there.
Okay. So above all, we have the director of Best Commerce Academy of New Delhi branch, Mr. Gunjan Deep Singh ji, through whom we have organized this event, and thanks to Mr. Mandeep, I would like to request Mr. Gunjan Deep ji to please speak few words for the company. Thank you.
Anji. First of all, it's really a pleasure to have Dr. Manpreet, a brilliant speaker, absolutely phenomenal speaker, to guide my students. Anji, Jaspreet Singh, it was a pleasure meeting you as well. And thanks to Mr. Mandy, who is being a intermediary for meeting us. Bachcho, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. I hope so. All your queries have been solved. So anyway, if there are any problems, they are always there to help you. I know Mr. Mandy, who is my childhood friend since last so many years, and he is basically associated. He's living in Canada and associated with Khurana brothers, Dr. Manpreet Khurana and Dr. Jaspreet Khurana, and they will really show you the path, and they'll really show you the way how to go and study, basically. So thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot again.
Indeed, it was a pleasure to have both of you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. One more thing, there is a clerical mistake in this slide. This is the offer is valid till 10th of July, not 10th of June. So please note down that offer is valid till 10th of July. It's not 10th of June. It's already today, 27th of June. So it's 10th of July. The offer is valid till 10th of July. So you guys can send an email or you can make a phone call to book your seats for the offers. Thank you very much. And at last, I would request Mr. Mandeep, who is the course coordinator, who is the man behind the game, who is the man behind today's webinar, who has organized everything, who has made it possible, who made us to meet Mr. Gunjan Deep Singh, Mr. Manpreet, and me. Thank you very much, Mr. Mandeep. You can speak a few words for everyone.
Yeah, sure. It's really, I really appreciate, and I'm very glad and very thankful to all of you people who have made this today webinar possible, and where we can join all the students who all are interested to pursue their future careers in Canada. So I think this is the best platform where all the future students can enroll themselves and get their future bright in Canada. Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. Manpreet. Thank you, Dr. Jaspreet, and especially Mr. Gunjandeep Singh from Best Academy. And I really appreciate you all. Thanks for
Okay.
your time. Yeah.
And we also have Mr. Anuj with us. If he's there, Mr. Anuj, would you like to speak few words for students? He is the Associate Director of Indrapuram branch. Mr. Anuj, I missed you somehow. You can speak up. And we also got Mr. Kaushik ji from English School. Or you also can speak few words if you want. I can't see who is available from the English School. They are our supporters for the IELTS, and they are providing you the best deals for the IELTS support. So I request English School, if you want to speak few words, you can speak up. Otherwise, we're gonna end the meeting very soon. If anybody has any queries, they can still ask. I think all the queries are solved now. And if you want
Thank
to
you
ask,
so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Khurana. It was a pleasant being part of this webinar. This is Shivani from the English School. I'm the director with the English School. We are based in Gurgaon, and we are associated with Mr. Khurana for so long. And I am indeed blessed to be part of this association because we have so much to learn. There were so many queries that our students had, and he was exceptionally good in explaining the doubts the students had, and we look forward for such an association ahead also. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving us.
I would like to request Shivani, the director of the English School, to please give us one single tip or 2 or 3 single tips for the speaking part, if you can give. We shall be highly obliged by you. Thank you.
All right. So indeed, speaking being one of the most important factor which can influence the personality of a person, which can actually lay such an emphasis on people, has an important role. Speaking not being only IELTS, being an integral part of our lives, it improves our personality. So there are 4 parameters that we have to keep in mind. 4 parameters starting from the fluency and cohesion. The second is grammatical range and accuracy. Third is your pronunciation. And the fourth is your lexical resource. Now, it's very easy to speak well. The only problem we generally face is we think too much. We think that we won't be able to speak English because it's not our language. Trust me, we Indians are the best when it comes to speaking English. So remember, stop thinking, just practice. Keep practicing. Start listening to the native speakers. Understand how the sentences are formed. And also remember, this is a journey, not a destination. So we will travel together. All right?
Thank you very much, Shivani. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for everyone for the grand success of this webinar. So thank you everyone for sparing your valuable time. We'll be taking up your leads. You can just send up a WhatsApp message or phone call, and you have the email ID also. You can contact us. Thank you, Mandy, at last, for organizing such a wonderful webinar. Thank you very much. Thanks to all.
Thank you all. Thank you.